Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by preparing a focused Python toolchain so you can replace JavaScript for web and scripting tasks. Install Python 3.11 or newer and enable pip. Once done, create and activate a virtual environment to isolate dependencies. Next, install your core libraries. Pick Flask or Fast API for web work, requests for HTTP, and PyTest for tests. Make sure to lock versions with pip freeze requirements. TXT, so reproducing environments is deterministic, and you avoid version drift. You now translate JavaScript patterns into Python equivalents, focusing on architecture, not one-to-one syntax. For asynchronous, migrate callbacks and promises to async/await using Asyncio or async frameworks. This preserves concurrency while keeping clarity. For UI interactions, move DOM-heavy logic into server-rendered templates or adopt Pyodide/Anvil if client Python is required. Replace NPM-centric modules by locating pip alternatives or wrapping JavaScript libraries via subprocedures. You finish by deploying Python as the single runtime in production. Choose Unicorn for WSGI or Uvicorn for ASCII and pair with Nginx as a reverse proxy. Configure health checks and timeouts. Automate CI to run linters, tests, and build wheels so releases remain repeatable. Make sure to enable structured logs and capture request ID. If something goes wrong, reproduce failing requests locally with the same environment and logs, and step through the async call chain to locate race conditions or missing awaits.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.